In front of me is VIVO X80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening an app called Files. Following that, select Continue in the pop-up and click on those three lines at the top left corner. Then select Clean and tap on Clean under Junk Files. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after that, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!